Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into the same account used on the device, because matching identities is how the app locates hardware. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth so the app can scan. Background refresh and notifications keep tracking alive. Install any pending updates so you have the latest protocols and bug fixes. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery and a steady network. These factors determine how reliably the app can report position and status. You now open the app and select the device from the list to initiate a scan. This active query forces the device or nearby peers to respond. Then verify identity by using actions like play sound or show last seen, which confirm the target is nearby versus simply reported by cloud. If needed, request turn-by-turn directions. Also check secondary indicators: last sync time, whether the device is offline but recently cached, and whether it reported via Wi-Fi or cellular, because that affects accuracy. You finish by taking recovery actions: enable lost mode, lock the device remotely, and display a contact message so an honest finder can return it. If recovery fails, consider erase only as a last resort to protect data. When things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Toggle location and Bluetooth on both ends, restart the app and the device, and re-authenticate your account to clear token issues. If needed, check crowd find status and paired devices before running another scan, then retry the locate sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.